final instructions from Coach Wadu for Mbata and Mbule. These two both included in the Bafana preliminary squad, by the way, for those World Cup qualifiers.
Discussions going there. Mbule is saying, are we going to sit between me and myself and Mbata? Are we going to sit there? And so the coach says yes. So Mbata says, at least when you got the chance, you can move a little bit forward. Me, I stay.
I'll cover you. Yeah, colours amongst the half dozen, or I should say dozen signings that they made at the beginning of the season. Very impressive. Mbule's got a bit of space. He's going for goal as well. Strikes it just wide. Now there's a bit of an appetite here from the Buccaneers.
Is the arrival of players into those positions where they can take strike. Pirates dominate for all the games that they've played. They've dominated with ball position. They've dominated the edges, but not close enough to be afforded this kind of strike. That, for me, is the change I spoke about.
Saturday night match. Live in the World Champions as well. It's set for Dobsonville Stadium. They're still.
And the goalkeeper, of course, of Hobbit College experienced that very problem in a very bad way, in that he couldn't get a good leap to get to the ball.
Mbule gets himself out of trouble. Moremi as well. Finds Mbata. Mbule back to Mbata, putting on a little bit of a show here for the fans.
Who's the star?
There was a chance to get it wide to Makopa. Maswangangi is going to leave this for Shandu. He's been full of work tonight, the right back. Dino van Rooyen still injured, by the way, and there's a bit of competition for that position. Now Mbata, he likes a shot from range. Puts that one just wide.
Beautiful football all around.